Hello everybody. Today I am going to be doing a tutorial on exporting distribution lists from Microsoft Outlook 2011 and then for the purpose of importing them into Gmail um, and creating your own contact group uh, from the list that we'll be exporting, the distribution list we'll be exporting from Outlook. So to start, we have Outlook open. We click on Contacts here in the left hand navigation, and it brings up your distribution lists. So I'm going to choose my list. That's the list that I want to export today and bring into Gmail and create its own group with. So I'm going to right click it. I'm going to right click it and copy contact details. So that should copy all of these contacts to the clipboard for me in an appropriate format, which we will change as we move through. So now I'm going to open up Excel. New Excel workbook, that's fine. I'm going to paste in cell 1A. There you go. So it pastes my list up here, which is what I copied, and then you've got all the contacts, but the problem is they're all in the one cell each. So first of all, I'm going to change this cell 1A to name and cell 1B to email. Okay, I'm going to expand this. Next, what I want to do is I want to separate the name and the email from the character. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all the cells that I want to separate the name and the email, and I'm going to go data, and I'm going to choose text to columns. It's pretty straightforward. Delimited, that's fine. Tab, remove that, and we want to separate by the less than symbol. That looks fine in the data preview. Next, and finish. That's sufficient. There we go. So now it's separated the name and the email. But what I don't like is the fact that it's got the greater than symbol still on the end. So what I'm going to do quickly is I find and replace. So I want to find the greater than symbol and I want to replace it with nothing. So I'll replace all. There we go. It's that easy. So now what I want to do is I want to save that as a CSV file. I think I'll save it into here, into movies, just so I can keep an eye on where it is, and we'll call it my list. And I want to save it as a CSV file, which can be read by Gmail. Save. That is okay. Continue. There we go, that's saved. Now I will minimize this, and I'm already in Google in the contacts menu, which you can find on the left hand side. If you're in Gmail and you want to access contacts, you just select this area here, and then it gives you the option to go to contacts. I'm already there. Alright, what I want to do is I want to create a new group. I want to call it my list to reflect the name of the distribution list I've just exported, and that'll create my list under contacts. Now what I want to do is I want to go more, import. I want to choose the file, and it is in movies, wherever that is, down here. There it is, movies, photos, movies. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go all my, here we go, all my files, and I'm going to choose my list. That should be easy enough. Here we go, so it's found my list.csv. I'm going to double click because that's the one, and import. there we go. So there they are. They're all imported and imported into its own list here, its own group name here. So I guess what you could do is you could either rename that, or you can select all of these contacts. So you go all like that, and then you go more. Oh, excuse me, you go this group icon up here, and you want to remove them from imported, and you want to add them to my list, and I guess keep them in the my contacts in general list as well, or not. If they already exist there, you may want to untick that. Choose my list, choose apply. Let's remove this group, delete group, and there you go. That's how you do it. That's how you export distribution lists from Outlook 2011 on Mac to Gmail. Thank you very much for watching.